Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. We are still settling into the new house. So in this video you are gonna see me shopping and organizing the kitchen stuff. So let's get started. Okay, the next part of the video features my husband building a PC, something he has been wanting to do for many years. So I have decided to film the process for those who might find it interesting. If that's not your thing, feel free to skip to the kitchen organization segment. Start.
RAM, brain of the computer, CPU. SSD is the motherboard.
Okay. ఇదేంటిది?
CPU.
Okay. ఓకే, సో ఇప్పుడు ఇదేంటి?
The RAM.
ఓకే ఓకే, సో ర్యామ్ ఇస్ డన్. సో దిస్
is CPU cooler.
ఓకే. ఓకే, దిస్ ఇస్ పవర్ సప్లై. Graphics card. Wow. Another day and another Amazon package. I think we have some kitchen stuff here. Let's see. This is to keep stuff near the sink. Oh, this is so cute. The spice jars. Oh, large now. This is for the spice rack. I'll show you while organizing. Containers. all the labels. Oh. I've ordered a 14-piece set, and to set them down, I ordered this spice jar. It also comes with labels. Now I'm confused. I feel like this looks better. Let's try. This or this? Okay, I'm going with this. This is how I have organized it. These containers are average. I won't recommend them, but for now it's fine. Done with organizing kitchen. That's it for this video. Hope this video motivated you to organize your space or given you some ideas. If you like this video, please do subscribe. See you in the next vlog. Bye.